Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop loss right here on FXTM. And I will show you this as quick as possible. So for example, we are having here XAU US dollars and that is gold. And what we're going to do now is we click here on new order. So you will see right here your order list. Then we select right here how much we want to step in. So 0.01 is fine for now. That will be around $4,500. And then what we're going to do is we click right here on the arrow. Then you will see right here a red line, and this means the stop loss line. So when the price will hit that line, he will close or trade automatically. So what we're going to do is now decide at which price you want to put that stop loss on. So let's say 3,500. So right now when he will hit 3,500, he will close or trade automatically, and we can't go lower on the price, so he will stop our losses. So right now if you click here on buy market, you see that we created ourselves a position. And now if you go right here to the order, you see right here at stop loss a $3,500 entry. So when he will hit 3,500, he will close or trade. So this is exactly how you can stop loss right here on FXTM. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.